My secret to making my small lips look a little bit more plump. First, I start with a lip liner that's about 1 to 2 shades darker than my natural lip shade. And I seem to have a disappearing lip line, so my lip actually kind of goes straight into the rest of my skin. I don't have a clear definition, so this lip liner really does wonders for making my lips look plump without looking overly inflated or overly big, like overlined. Starting from the outer corner, I use feathered strokes to work all the way up to the cupid's bow, and then I like to define my cupid's bow because I think it gives me more of a better shape. On the bottom lip, I define right underneath the lip, but I don't fill in on either of the bottom corners of my lip. That gives me a more rounded bottom lip effect. Then I just take a clear gloss and I just place that in the center and right over the lip line and the surrounding on the outer parts of my lip. And there you go. I hope this helps. Enjoy!